们讲这个 curve 这边的 curve 吗 ？extra curve。
Hi, I'm Kak Guang. I'm a civil servant.
Hi, I'm Eileen. I'm a tax professional.
So we've been staying here for the last 18 years. This executive maisonette is 35 years old in Kim K Avenue. Generally, we prefer minimalist and we want it to be bright. That's why white color works for us.
As you see, the whole reason for the renovation of the entire house boils down to this island top. So obviously, this part of the house that you're seeing is my best spot of the house because it has all the things that I wanted: the island, oven, fridge.
Besides this, the other part that I like is the entrance to the living room because of this open concept. So it gives a very welcoming feel and also it's very well ventilated.
When we went to Louis, it was quite a pleasant experience. This is nothing that we expected, but every time when we sit in our house, we look at what has been done, it's like amazing. To me, a home is where you feel secure, surrounded by your loved ones. A place where you can have meaningful discussion with your family members as well as friends, where we could just sit, connect and talk through the day.
The memories part is important. A home is where you can actually capture all the memories that you have. Memories that we forged together, I think those are important.